Over the next few minutes, I'll guide us through a simple breathing practice, focusing on mindfulness. Breathing mindfully can bring us more fully into the moment. A breath break can be a wonderful way to center yourself for whatever is next. And sometimes the most important thing in the whole day is the rest we take between two breaths. Let's begin. Find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably for a few minutes. Lay down if you're more comfortable doing that. Do whatever best supports you at this moment. Close your eyes and go inside. If you can, close your mouth and breathe through your nose. Lips closed, eyes closed. Go inside and observe your body breathing. Become aware that you are breathing. You are breathing. And using your mind's eye, your inner awareness, where do you feel your body move as you breathe? Become aware of your body moving as you breathe. You might feel your belly move, the rise and fall of your chest, a gentle swaying as you inhale and exhale. Tune into your breathing. And as you breathe in, imagine your breath down into your belly. Allow the sides of your waist and even your back where your kidneys are to gently expand in a way that encircles. And when you exhale, let everything soften. Let go. You are breathing. Breathing in, breathing out. Slow down your breathing. Observe the rise and fall of your breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Slow down your breathing. Breathing in, breathing out. Gradually, you can bring your breath practice to a close. When you're ready, open your eyes.